Jesus once told a story about a young man who thought he had life all figured out. He went to his father and said, "I want my share of the inheritance, now." His father, with a heavy heart, gave it to him. The young man packed his bags and left home, chasing excitement and freedom. He spent everything, money, time, energy, on parties, friends, and distractions. But soon, it was all gone. And when famine hit the land, he found himself broke, hungry, and alone, feeding pigs just to survive. One night, in the middle of that mess, it hit him. He thought, "Even the servants in my father's house have food to spare. Maybe I could go back. Not as a son, I don't deserve that, but maybe he'll let me work for him." So he set off for home, rehearsing his apology with every step. And while he was still far away, his father saw him. He didn't wait. He ran. He ran to his son, wrapped him in a hug, and before the young man could finish his speech, the father called out, "Bring the best robe, put a ring on his finger, sandals on his feet. Tonight, we celebrate. My son was lost, but now he's found." That's the heart of the story. A love that doesn't wait for you to clean yourself up first. A love that runs to meet you, even when you feel unworthy. A love that says, "You're still my child." And maybe that's exactly the kind of love we all long for. Thanks for watching. If this story encouraged you, please take a moment to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Bible stories told with heart and clarity. Together, we can keep sharing hope, one story at a time.